Creating a thumbnail on Canva is a straightforward process. Creating a thumbnail on Canva is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make an eye-catching thumbnail. Number 1. Sign in or sign up on Canva. Go to Canva's website https://www.canva.com/ and log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. Number 2. Create a new design. Once logged in, click on the Create a Design button at the top right. In the search bar, type thumbnail and select a size that matches the platform you're creating the thumbnail for. For example, YouTube thumbnail is typically 1280 by 720 pixels. Number 3. Choose a template or start from scratch. Canva offers a variety of thumbnail templates that you can customize. Browse through them by typing thumbnail in the template search bar. If you prefer to create your design from scratch, select the blank template. Number 4. Customize your thumbnail background. Add a background color, gradient, or image. You can upload your own images or choose from Canva's library. Text. Add text by clicking on the Text tab. Choose a font, adjust the size, color, and position. Images and icons. Use the Elements tab to add shapes, icons, and other graphics. You can also upload your own images. Photos and graphics. Add photos or illustrations from Canva's extensive library or upload your own. Branding. If you have a logo or specific brand colors, make sure to incorporate them into your thumbnail. Number 5. Organize and adjust elements. Arrange the elements by clicking and dragging them into place. Use Canva's grid and alignment tools to ensure everything is balanced. You can layer elements by selecting an element and clicking position to move it forward or backward. Number 6. Add effects and filters. Canva allows you to add filters, adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation, and even add effects like shadows or outlines to text and images. Number 7. Review and adjust. Zoom out to see the entire thumbnail and make sure it looks good overall. Make any final adjustments to ensure that the text is readable and the images are clear. Number 8. Download your thumbnail. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Share button at the top right, and select Download. Choose your desired file format. PNG is usually best for thumbnails, and download the image. Number 9. Upload and use your thumbnail on the platform you designed it for example, YouTube, blog, etc. If you need any specific tips on designing thumbnails for a particular platform or want guidance on using certain Canva tools, feel free to